really excited to be here today to try to get people to 100% coverage in Lawrence. Insurance, health insurance is very important. It doesn't matter if you're a new citizen, a new arrival. We want to make sure you have health coverage.
Lynn has one of the 5 highest rates of uninsured people in the state. So today's campaign kickoff will help close that gap. And again, we need to work together, and it's great you're walking around the community today. But today's just the start.
Health Connected is coming here to work with small businesses, to work with the nonprofits, bring people in to make them aware of how they too can afford health care.
Let's go Lowell! Let's go!
The community needs to be more aware of how important it is to have health insurance, to be covered.
We need coverage 100% here in Lawrence.
Let's go Lawrence! Let's go Lawrence!
Tell the community about this.
Health insurance is very confusing, and this is the first step to make it very simple.
Some terrible remember, I can write though.
Connector is a great place to get coverage because they offer affordable, high-quality health insurance for everybody in Lowell.
Vamos, Lynn!
Let's get to 100%, Lawrence!